Hello, Serpent Trading here. I'm doing a weekly update of Bacanora Lithium, and had a great week this week. I did the updates last week about the break over this area here, and we followed through this week and had a really nice high up for 39p. Good volume as well. So it looks like investors might be taking notice of this company now. Big news on this one. Not so much big news, but something I keep an eye on. It's Stockopedia, what they actually define the stock as. And Bacanora Lithium have always been defined as a sucker stock. And it's actually changed this week to neutral. So let's keep an eye on that, see if they keep their rating as neutral or maybe even super stock, as I believe it will become in the future. So looking in on the daily chart, we see that the first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, really shot up, and we had a bit of a sell-off on Thursday, and seem to be finding support around this sort of 31p level. But I haven't absolutely given up that we may test this sort of 27.1p level again. Could be an opportunity to pick up some more if you don't feel like you've got enough of this stock under your belt at the moment. I am future longer term wise, I am still looking at this 50-60p area for the kind of medium long term. Once we get past that, I think this will be acting as major support. So that's what I'm really looking for. I may top slice a little bit when we get up there, just because I feel that we will be backing off. Really speculative now. I'm looking at maybe we'll have a little consolidation here, make a little flag to get up to that level. But of course, there's no actual evidence of that at the moment. It's just me getting excited and speculating on how good I think this stock might be. Only bit of news this week was just a sort of confirmation of this conditional sale to Iris Resources. I've had a look into Iris a little bit. They've not been about for long, actually. I'm just going to show you the chart, actually. So they've not been listed for very long at all. Market cap 2.95. And zoom out a little bit. There we go. Yeah, only listed back in 2017. But from what I can find out, is that they've actually got quite an experienced sort of mining construction team. So they may be the best people to take the project forward, because Bacanora will not be trying to develop the German site, the Zimwald site, for quite a few years, until Mexico's fully up and running and producing a decent profit. Just the takeaways from this deal. So Bacanora is still going to be giving 1.35 million cash in exchange for 90 million new shares in EOS, which is going to list at 5 pence. It's around there somewhere. This 1.35 million is actually what Bacanora had already committed to spend on maintaining the site in any case. So it's not really a major loss. EOS is currently at 7p. So, getting the shares for 5p isn't particularly bad either. And if they can unlock some value in the Zimwald site, then it could be quite beneficial for Bacanora in the longer term. It takes a lot of responsibility off their hands, and lets them concentrate on their main project. And it's got a bit of information about Iris here, and they were established in 2012. Obviously, we just saw they were only listed in 2017, but blah 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 blah. Yeah, 2000. There we go. Lifted AIM on December 2017. And just something about the investments. People who invested in them. Main projects. They've got some projects in Scotland. None of their projects, when I was looking through them, they don't seem particularly big. The Zimbabwe project will be probably their best resource. So hopefully they'll actually put most of the resources into actually developing that site. So yeah, there's not much more to say about that. I mean, you got some information about the actual site that they'll be given that Bacanora will be giving up. It doesn't sound like the best deal, but equally it's not the worst deal either. I saw one little bit, if I can see, there's something like a buyout agreement for €2 million. I can't see it. I'm going to have to read through again. But it's somewhere in there. There was something about a buyout agreement. Here it is. Yeah, so it's got provides that it will grant Bacanora a royalty of 2%. Actually, I think this would be a buyout agreement for the royalty, but obviously Bacanora will still own the 90.6 million shares. So there's still some value to be unlocked there. It's not a particularly clear on how is it going to work, but it does seem like it gets some of the responsibility of our backs, and we can concentrate on that main asset. So that's all my thoughts for the weekend on Bacanora Lithium. Going to keep keeping a close eye on this, see how this share price develops, and I'm hoping for a bit of a consolidation over the next week or two. It should give a good base for higher prices. So I say possibility we may come back to retest this sort of 27p level, but it's not for a definite. It's just a possibility. I wouldn't be surprised, and I am looking for these higher highs up at the 50p, 60p level. So hope you got something out of that. Smash the like button, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video.